Execution round. This is our project which is divided into 5 phases: face mask detection, waste detection and segregation model, incinerating vehicle model, automatic hand sanitizing model, and finally smart mirror. Phase 1: face mask detection. This is the setup which is kept inside the segregation center to identify the people wear mask or not. This is the code for face mask detection. We have used machine learning and deep learning algorithm to identify the person wears mask or not. Phase 2: waste detection and segregation. This is the waste detection and segregation system which comprises of sensors and DC guns. Let's have a look into how it works. I am starting the conveyor belt using start push button. The conveyor belt started moving. Stop push button is used to stop the conveyor belt. I am getting a metallic body near the inductive proximity sensor. The sensor senses the metal and pushes the DC gun forward. The metal waste will be pushed into the bin number 1. I am getting a plastic body near the infrared sensor. The sensor senses the plastic and pushes the DC gun forward. The plastic waste is pushed into the bin number 2. Other wastes are moved into the bin number 3. Ultrasonic sensor is used to detect the level of the bin, and the level of the bin can be shared via cloud using ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. This is ThingSpeak website in which we can monitor the location and status of the bins via cloud. Phase 3: incinerating vehicle. This is the incinerating vehicle mechanism which gets power supply from the solar panel and the Peltier module. Other wastes are burnt into this box. Water or any other coolant is put into this box. This is the Peltier module which generates electricity when hot and cold body reacts together. This is the Bluetooth module which is fixed inside the incinerating vehicle which can be controlled by Robo Vehicle app. This is the blueprint of BioTractor which is inspired from the idea of incinerating vehicle. 4. Automatic hand sanitization. Before the user segregates the waste, the user needs to sanitize their hand. Phase 5: smart mirror. This is the smart mirror which can be kept in segregation center or in office for various purposes. This monitor is fixed inside the smart mirror. This Raspberry Pi acts as a CPU and controls the mirror. We can get alert message inside the mirror which can direct the user. Finally, we will be getting a QR barcode. After scanning this, we will be getting some gift vouchers as appreciation.